Falcon 9 is in startup.
SpaceX launch director, go for launch.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition, and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
SpaceX launched a Falcon 9 rocket last night from Cape Canaveral in Florida. On board were 22 Starlink satellites headed for the constellation.
Engine chamber pressure nominal.
Power engine telemetry nominal.
Falcon 9 is supersonic. Max Q.
Miko.
Stage separation.
And back ignition.
Bearing separation.
Acquisition of signal Bermuda. Nominal trajectory.
Stage 1 FTS says safe.
Stage 1 entry burn startup. Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
Stage 2 FTS says safe.
Nominal trajectory. Expected loss of signal Cape.
Stage 1 transonic.
Second stage and terminal guidance.
Stage 1 landing burn. Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Miko.
Another successful SpaceX mission. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you track every SpaceX launch.